Hey everyone, Chris Ruhm with the Ruhm-Insurance Agency, licensed independent insurance agent. I'm sure your industry is scrutinized, every industry is scrutinized, but as a Medicare agent or even an individual health agent, we're pretty scrutinized by CMS and Medicare. And I want to share an example of the advantage of an independent agent versus working with somebody at Medicare.gov. I had a client, actually a very good friend's mother, 90 years old, on a PPO Medicare Advantage plan. She calls her provider and they tell her that she's not in their network on the plan. She did not tell them it was a PPO. She didn't even know what plan she really had because she bought this through Medicare.gov and they didn't explain to her exactly what she had. Like we have to. I mean, we are heavily scrutinized. So my clients know what they're getting when they get a policy. So anyways, she calls Medicare.gov after finding out that her policy is not going to cover this surgery, which it actually is because it's a PPO. And if they're willing to take the plan, she can get that surgery through them. It's a $400 co-payment for her hip replacement. She actually needs another serious surgery too this year, so that'd be another $400. Without the Advantage plan, it's probably gonna be over $6,000 to $7,000 for the exact same procedures. And somebody at Medicare.gov told her she should drop her Advantage plan and get a prescription drug plan. Well, her Advantage plan did not have a prescription drug plan. She hasn't had one since she was 65. So now she's going to have a she's gone 25 years times 12, that's 300. She's gonna have a 300% penalty on the prescription drug plan they recommended. So the drug plan was $35. The national average for prescription drug plans last year was around $34. So 34 times 300% is $102. So her drug plan wasn't going to be $35, it was going to be $137 a month on top of it. So this is why working with an independent agent is important. Yes, there are bad seeds everywhere, but you can search around and find a good independent agent and you're going to get really good advice. Just find one that represents most of the carriers so they can shop you around to the different carriers. In my case, I'll shop you around every single carrier, whether I represent them or not, if I think there's a better option for you. Or I'll go pick up that option, you know? So again, we're heavily scrutinized. I'm sure other industries are, but before you do anything, call an independent agent and get good advice. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Again, my name is Chris Ruhm. I'm with the Ruhm-Insurance Agency. I'm licensed in 20 states. Have a great day. Bye-bye.